Hormonal skin changes, those are the rapid deterioration years. Let me help you with your skin. First of all, DermAppeal, Thermo-Enzymatic Microdermabrasion is a must 2 or 3 times a week. It'll speed up the natural cellular renewal that is slowed down and make your skin gorgeous. Reset Serum, this is the master anti-aging serum. So when you are going through those issues, it's not enough to use just the same 5 ingredients that are in every product. You need growth factors, because that's what you're missing. You need NAD, because it will help that skin. You're going to need resveratrol. Those are silent inflammation regulators that tell your cells to thrive and not wither. And of course, niacinamide, microretinol, micro-C, hyaluronic acid, the other ingredients that we know beautify the skin. But you need more. You need advanced anti-aging, and that's what Age Reset Serum will deliver. Lose your glow. Let's help you get your glow back by softening that lipid-deficient hardened skin with the Luminous Facial Oil. And we all see it on our neck. It seems like the neck and the eyes, you see it first. Amour, to help you during those changing years with the issues that happen on the neck and décolleté, the loose skin, the shriveled skin, the lines, the wrinkles, the crepiness. Regain that youthful glow with this menopausal skincare routine.